Get strong.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be drawing a Star Wars themed drawing project. Coming up is May the 4th, and that is sort of deemed Star Wars Day. There's a saying in Star Wars, may the Force be with you, but people kind of want to make a funny joke and say, may the 4th be with you. So we're gonna go ahead and draw baby Yoda. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start with his head, and I'm gonna start with drawing an oval, just like that. Remember that you're drawing really, really lightly so that when we do have to erase something, you're gonna be able to erase it really nicely. So on either end of our oval, I'm going to do 2 circles. And I know this is kind of funny, but these circles are gonna help us drawing the ears. So from the head, I'm gonna draw a slight curve to the top of the circle on each side. And on the bottom, I'm gonna draw a curve like that. Now for the tips of the ears, I'm gonna extend this line out a little bit, and then I'm gonna follow the curve of my circle and then to the tip. So I want it to be curved and then skinnier as it gets to the end. So I'm gonna do the same on this side, extend it out, follow my curve, just like that. Perfect. So next I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase all of the lines inside the ear and connecting it to the head. Perfect. So I want to draw in slight curves, just like that. And the inside of the ears are going to be a curve and then another curve. Curve towards the tip of the ear and then around like that. So this is the pink area of his ear, whereas around it is the green, same like his skin color. Okay, perfect. So next I'm going to map in his eyes. So I'm going to do 2 big circles close to the ears. And then within that circle, I'm going to draw another circle and an eye shine, another circle and an eye shine. A tiny little V for his nose, and I'm gonna make mine smirking. So I'm gonna do a line and then a curve. The top of his forehead is kind of wrinkly, so I'm just gonna draw kind of broken little wobbly lines. To do his body, it is a rectangle. So I'm coming down from where his ears match up to his face. 2 lines. I'm not going to make it too tall because he's pretty short. And then I'm going to join them with a really soft curve. So not straight across, kind of curved. Perfect. So he has a jacket on that has like a furry collar. So I'm going to do a curve line and a curve line. Now at the center of his face, I'm just going to scooch my pencil over just a little bit to the right and make another curved line that's a little bit lower, so it comes down below the curved line here. So I'm gonna join these 2 together, and then this one I'm gonna join straight across. So you can see there's like an overlap. That's what we want to sort of make that illusion. Now with your eraser, erase the lines inside his collar. And then we want it to look fluffy, so we're gonna do curved lines, so W's or the letter U, all the way around the edge, just like that. And then we're gonna do some W's, some letter M's inside this collar, and that's to show that it has that fluffy texture. Now I'm not going to bother erasing inside of each of these little curves just because that's going to be a lot. I'm just going to try to remind myself to go around those shapes. Perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is move on to his arms. So the arm on this side is just by his side. So I'm going to do a slight angle out and curve to the body, and then a curve and join to the body. So this is the fluffy little edge on his sleeve. This arm here is going to be up a little bit, so I'm going to do a smaller, shorter curve, and then I'm going to draw a donut. So I'm going to draw a circle and another circle. So this is the inside of the donut, if it was a donut, but what we're drawing is the inside of the sleeve. So in this inside of the sleeve, we're going to draw a curve. That's going to be his thumb. And then I'm going to draw 2 sausages, like he's giving the peace sign. So what this ends up being is his 2 fingers. So I'm going to keep the shape and join it with my eraser. Try your best to erase the bottom of the sausages. Perfect. So we're going to fluff the trim on the sleeve, just like that. Now moving on to the details in his jacket, we're going to draw 2 lines down. That's where his jacket does up. And then I'm going to draw a little triangle shape here. That's going to be his zipper with a little triangle inside. Great, so we're going to move back onto this arm, and we're just going to draw 2 little sausages, and those are his fingers sticking out of the sleeve. Perfect. So next I'm going to get to outlining with my black marker. I'm going to erase everything. So first we trace, then we erase, and then I'm going to get to coloring. So I'll see you then. A cute Yoda for Star Wars Day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Stoney Creek School of Art. And until next time, we'll see you then. May the 4th be with you.